Over the next 3 years, more data will be created than in all of preceding human history. And by 2030, data centers around the world will require nearly $7 trillion in investment just to keep pace with the torrid demand of compute. These forces will combine to create a significant need for infrastructure and services that can turn data into intelligence, complexity into clarity, and to do so securely, efficiently, and at scale. The rapid developments that we see in artificial intelligence will also disrupt traditional data center architectures. Disaggregated will reign, silos will disappear, data will flow seamlessly, and what was once known as dark and cold data will become observable and active, constantly in circulation, feeding AI engines and agents. Our role as a trusted advisor has never been more important, and we are uniquely positioned to guide the architectures of the future. With our winning portfolio of compute, network, and storage, we are empowering customers to deploy artificial intelligence where it matters most, close to their data, whether on-prem, at the edge, or in the cloud. And we begin from a position of great strength. Our shared leadership position, coupled with world-class capabilities in our supply chain, in our services organization, our go-to-market engine, position us well to continue to capture share, grow margin, and win the next wave of AI. Over the last several years, ISG has delivered durable, consistent performance. Since FY18, ISG has grown revenue at a CAGR of nearly 8%, operating income at a CAGR of 9%, and we've expanded operating margins 140 basis points. We are number one in compute and storage, with share positions greater than our next two competitors combined. In compute, we have led in revenue share for 33 consecutive quarters. Over the last decade, we've gained over 700 basis points of share. And if you exclude China, we've gained 1,767 basis points of share. Over that same period, Dell has captured 50% of the market growth in compute, more than the next three competitors combined. In data storage, we have been the revenue leader for 94 consecutive quarters. We're number one in every major category: external RAID, entry, mid-range, high-end, and purpose-built array. And in Q2 of calendar 25, we were not just number one in all-flash. We grew north of 25%, a very strong premium to the market, gaining 244 basis points of share. And on top of all of this, we grew a new business, our AI-optimized portfolio, to at least $20 billion in just 2 years. We now service over 3,000 enterprise customers and many of the largest and most relevant Tier 2 cloud service providers. Given our track record as a structural share gainer and with AI as a significant tailwind, we are once again raising the ISG long-term growth framework revenue CAGR from a range of 6 to 8% to 11 to 14%.